Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install cultural immersion with cultural care au pair, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install cultural immersion with cultural care au pair, begin by visiting the cultural care au pair website. Navigate to the cultural immersion section. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required personal information accurately. After creating your account, log in to your dashboard. Select the Cultural Immersion option from the menu. Review the program details provided on the screen. Click on the Get Started button. Choose the specific cultural immersion activities that interest you. Add any preferences regarding your host family and location. Confirm your selection by clicking the Next button. Enter the application details requested, including your experience and goals. Upload any necessary documents, such as identification and references. Review all information carefully before submitting your application. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Check your email regularly for updates on your application status. Prepare for your cultural immersion experience by researching your chosen country. Familiarize yourself with local customs and traditions. Connect with other au pairs through forums or social media for additional tips. Attend any orientation sessions offered by Cultural Care Au Pair. Stay proactive in communicating with your host family prior to your arrival. Finalize travel arrangements, including flights and accommodations, well in advance. Prepare a packing list that includes essentials for your cultural immersion. Arrive at your destination excited and ready to embrace the experience. Enjoy the journey of cultural exchange and personal growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.